in advance, may I say the Merry Christmas to all my Christian brothers and sisters and families over here. Pakistan was created, and the founder of Pakistan very candidly said that Pakistan is for all of us sitting under this roof. The Muslims, the Christians, Hindus, Sikhs, whoever lives here in Pakistan. My constitution also says so, that we are one. Our identity, our introduction is Pakistan, being Pakistani. It's our pride for all of us. It has been rightly pointed out, and taking advantage of the presence of Excellency, the Ambassador for Palestine. Ambassador, our hearts bleed, and all of us are very, 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 very depressed and very what is going on here. And let's not forget your brothers and sisters in Gaza and Lebanon who are facing atrocities, and let's pray for them also, and let's support them all. Baba, it's very apt to say that, these are the occasions where we must come forward to show our solidarity with each other. It's the interfaith harmony, with what we call. I would not take much time, but there's a good news that Christmas Eve for you, that a day before, the Cabinet Subcommittee assembled for 4 hours, and we have finally approved the draft for the National Commission for the Rights of Minorities. It was a long-awaited task, and rest assured that our minority representatives, either from the Parliament or from the civil society, they were part of the long consultative process. We have tried to make it more independent. We have given the Commission certain powers which have been given to the National Commission for Human Rights and even to the ombudspersons in Pakistan to exercise full authority. And we believe that it would be a very effective platform for addressal of grievances. We have tried to make it a wonderful mix of all minorities or non-Muslims living in Pakistan. And the draft would be available on website very soon, when it is going to be laid in the National Assembly or Senate, and then of course it would be placed before the Standing Committee, where we'll have meaningful discussion as well. But I hope and I believe that very soon we'll be establishing our first Commission for the Rights of Minorities.